My name is Mitchell Kite. I'm a student here at J-Tech Institute, and today we have a 2003 Chevy Silverado, and we're going to be going through some of the tests to test the AC components. We already went in and tested, and it works, so we'll just show you all of the tests to go through and what to look for, and mention some of the things that are abnormal and what we can do to correct that. Let's get to it. Alright, here we are at the front of the truck. And we're going to jump the magnetic clutch on the air compressor to make sure that is functioning. And you can do it directly from the compressor, but as we're shooting a video, it's very inconvenient, so we're just going to look in the relay. Relay is right here. Test light.
Just turn on the AC, bro.
Look at it.
Don't turn on the
test to make sure that we're getting power to
engine on. Just turn on the AC.
And yep, that is the power. Found it. There we go. So we're getting power here. So we're going to jump that to
You ready to reading?
side.
Are you ready to
We're going to have the
reading?
jump wire here. If you listen closely, you'll hear the magnetic clutch engage and just. Alright, so the clutch is working.
How about now?
So next we're going to move to the next thing.
Reading?
Probably the gauges. To make sure that we have enough AC pressure in the lines themselves. Alright, now we are going to hook it up to the gauges. Here we have a high side and a low side. The high side is the red and the low side is the blue. Each connector is different for the high side and the low side, so you can't accidentally get them switched. Here, you want to clamp it down onto the connector itself. Make sure it's tight. Then you want to twist it down, and that opens up the Schrader valve on the top of the connector. Alright, got the low side, got the high side. Connected, and tighten down. Alright, and what we're going to be looking for is on the high side, we're going to be sitting around 50, which we are. The ambient temperature is about 73 degrees here. If it was lower, the pressure would be lower. If it was higher, the pressure would be higher. But that is good pressure for where we're supposed to be sitting. And so this would be static test. There's two different types of static test and the live test. The live test would be when you actually have the vehicle running, and that's mostly used for the low side, because the low side won't be at the right pressure until it's ran for about 5 minutes. So we'll come back after the vehicle's ran 5 minutes and we'll look at the pressure. Alright, we've had it running. So here we got the high side has gone way up in pressure, which is good. And we got the low pressure went down. And that's right about what we're supposed to be looking at. If it wasn't, you need to have a chart and look and see, like say if the low side was high and the high side was low, that would have its own problem. But everything seems to check out, so we'll move on to the next step. We're back. We've changed vehicles. Right now we're in a 2013 Ford Fusion, and we have our scan tool hooked up. And another test you can do is you can go into the actual computer through the data link port, and you can access all the things in the car that are connected to the computer. So to test the cooling fan in the front of the engine that pulls air through the condenser and cools it down, we're going to go to the PCM and we're going to active test and fan speed desired. That's okay. We're going to scroll over here until we see the engine cooling fan operation. We're going to go there. Okay. And from here we'll be able to turn up the speed of the engine fan. And it'll take a little bit to kick on. There it is. You may or may not be able to hear it. Oh. And so it also says that there's no faults detected here on the computer, and that's it. Thank you for watching.